Truckers, are you ready to learn the 3 most insane hacks that'll change your game? Let's go! Hack number 1, use dryer sheets to keep your truck smelling fresh. Toss one under your seat and you'll never deal with bad smells again. Hack number 2, use your GPS for more than routes. Set it to find cheap fuel stops near you. It'll save you big. And hack number 3, magnetic phone holder. Ditch the cheap suction cups and get one that attaches to your dash. Perfect for quick, hands-free calls. These hacks aren't just time savers, they'll save you money too. Smash that like, subscribe, and share this with every trucker you know.